Are you serious? The same one we always see. Not even some way area.
What kind of lawyer are you? Environmental. Superhero movie about me. Pretty cool.
But it is most now not Toy Stories. You're gonna break a thing. Come here. Tyrese! Okay guys, I'm quickly going to do a grocery haul so that I can get all those things picked away. Dankie. You can net as it kan voorbij. Anyway, I have to get all those things picked away. But I quickly wanted to share. Tot het een beetje zacht. Tot een beetje zacht alsjeblieft. Oh my. Tot het een beetje zacht alsjeblieft. Wow.
Kan ik gewoon weer van het afje eten?
Wow.
Waar niet? Je vader.
On my sack. So I just bought 6 packs of milk and then we have some sugar. I just bought Tyrese some diapers. He will soon be off of these little guys. So I just bought some macaroni. Wow, I just want to quickly do this, but I think I'm gonna make a mess here. And then we just bought this red velvet cake from Food Lovers. Waar gaan we anybody else? Wil jij het doen? You can do it. You are super interested today. What's happening? Show these people. And then we have some cream donuts. We have some white flour, some flour, some some. That is good as a
It's inside, it's on top.
Some creamer, some coffee creamer, some oil. And then I have some flakes. Again, we went with the Kokomo one. No. That one isn't bad. I just took one this time. Then we bought some kitchen cloths. Oh man, the battery is flat. Okay. Some jam, some butter, some pastry. I wanna make pie. Tomorrow is Sunday, so yeah. And then I have some months. Just bought three months. We have some no pork bologna. And then we just have some sauces. My mom's a favorite. So my husband loves sauces, and so does my kids. Some vinegar, some school juice for them. I use this for school days. Then I also just got some baked beans. Yeah, I think I did all of them. So we have some butter, some jam, then some cleaning products, some surf, some dishwasher, bleach, and then I also just got some conditioner because I ran out of conditioner. One thing about me, I am very, 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 very heavy on conditioner. And then I just bought some new brushes because it's much needed at this point. Then I just bought some cubes, some aromat, yeah, some macaroni, some spaghetti, some coffee, some muesli, some wheat bix. So this is all over here. So I think we can move over there. These are all the things I got from Food Lovers. Guys, my battery is flat, so it is quite dark, the video at this point. So I'm not cooking today, Saturday, and I just got back. It's around 5 now. So I just bought this for the kids to eat, and then I just bought. I love Lovers Market because they have combos, so we got a few combos and a few other things from them. So got potatoes, onions, tomatoes, pumpkin. And then I got some lettuce, some carrots, and then some soda. And then this is my facial moisturizing cream that I use on my face. Very, 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 very good. Some Cetaphil. Plus I got this camp. Let me see. Some carrots. These are only some snacks for the little ones. And all my spices, my turmeric, biryani mix, and then my biryani mix, seeds and whatnot. Mother-in-law, some paprika, some chilies, some dhania and zero, garlic and ginger. These are all my spices and whatnot. And then I got some soup veggies. My hubby want me to make some soup, so I got that. So these are all the things I got there. I got some broccoli, got cucumber. I'm actually rushing through this now. It's getting dark. Some coriander, my favorite thing to cook with. Then I got some green beans, some green peppers, and also avos. Then I got these small tomatoes and some green beans, more green beans. Yeah, over there I just have some toiletries. Oh, this video is not going to look nice, okay? It's I, okay? Cheeky me. And then yeah, I just got some cauliflower, some garlic buns. Oh, those are so nice. These garlic bread, and then just got some banana loaf because my husband want me to make some custard. But that I think for tomorrow as well. Then just some Viennas. I think that is it. He's still angry. Come, my chick. This guy doesn't like to cut hair, guys. And see how beautiful my son is. Handsome. As je ingedrukt of wat? Come, my chick. You know, like. What? Was what? Come, I see. You can make more means big, Aina. Come, I see. Yeah. It looks nice. Do you like it? Can you go wash your hair now? Thank you. Bye. Okay, hungry. I'm now with you. And yeah, I also have 2 kg chicken. Yo, this buy owner. 5 kg chicken, and then also 2 kg chicken. I am just letting it not really defrost, but defrost somewhat so that I can package them and like basically prep them, clean them, and then pack them in the fridge, because I like to prep my chicken and my meat and then just leave them in the fridge so that I can just take out as I cook. So yeah, I have my rice and my maize meal. So yeah, just an overview, guys. Please bear with me. I am very tired and I'm just trying to get everything done. Hey, what you doing? What are you doing with my gown? Where's my phone?
Chicken.
Tyron.
Make a roll. And the salad.
No. Where's my phone?
What happened to it? This is my bread.